Just to finish off, we're going to have a quick look at the sound qu. This sound is made up with two letters that represent only one sound. That's because we never see the letter Q without the letter U beside it. So this represents one sound, even though there are two letters. Let's have a go at building the word quit. So with your child, say the sounds just like before, nice and slowly in the word. Qu, I, t. We can see that it has three sounds. So count out your sound squares. 1, 2, 3. And figure out what your first sound is, using your finger to go across. Qu. When we write the qu sound, the two letters Q and U come together in one square because we only hear one sound. Then, just like before, go across and fill in the other sounds. Qu, I. I hear an I in the middle, and then the end sound. Qu, I, t. Qu, I, t. Quit.